Let's be honest, are we even surprised anymore? What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions with a quick little market update. The NASDAQ TQQQ is down 10% on the day. Lower lows, lower highs, overall direction is not in our favor. Let's not overcomplicate. I think yesterday is a perfect example of one green day does not confirm an overall reversal. This is why we did not increase our position size. It wasn't anything about that. You need to stay effective, especially on the 1 hour time frame. Yesterday we were getting really close to that moving average. This has been a resistance level ever since the beginning of April. We've been getting rejected. It's been making lower lows, lower highs. Stop selling yourself the idea that one green day or two green days means that, hey, the market's about to recover. More now than ever before. It's even with such weak news of Snapchat. You guys see Snapchat today? We talked about this yesterday. Snapchat was down about 28% yesterday. It's down 39% today. Who would have thought that such an irrelevant company, who cares about Snapchat? Its market cap isn't even that big. But to know the influence that it can now have on our tech weak NASDAQ market, not just with Snapchat, but also Facebook. Facebook is getting sued, I think, by a DC attorney or a DC general, right? And it's down 10% on the day. It's not even big, world news anymore, right? Russia attacking Ukraine, oil prices, no, inflation, interest rates. No, I understand Facebook a little bit more, but Snapchat, really? First off, who even uses Snapchat and who cares? Oh, so mind-boggling to me. Well, with that being said, I'm here to update you guys not just on the bad, but how things can get worse. As of right now, today at 12:20 p.m., there's just a quick little speech that Jerome Powell is going to give. He has some welcoming remarks. I'm guessing that it's like an introduction video to this summit in Las Vegas right now. And again, that's at 12:20 p.m. My job is just to make you guys aware of this. If you guys want to watch it, I'm going to put the first link down below so you guys can watch the live stream. I really don't care to live stream that. I don't really think that that's going to influence the market. It's not a speech. He's not going to be mainly talking about overall markets. I think he's just saying welcoming remarks. Let's just hope he doesn't say anything that can make this market any worse. But today is a perfect day to prepare. Today's not a perfect day to force trades. Today's not a perfect day to try to make money right now unless you're shorting something and or if you're invested in SQQQ. You need to pick your battles, right? Make it easier for yourself. Today's a good day to prepare. We made new lows today with Tesla. We made new lows today with, if I'm not mistaken, Facebook. And it's something that we just talked about within our live trading session. We hit lows of 627 today. If we look at this on the overall day chart, we just made new lows, and it's at one of the lowest price points that it's ever been before. It's not that you should buy right now, but now is a good time to prepare. What stocks are you going to invest into that are super cheap, that if and when they do begin to show signs of recovery, that you plan to take advantage of them? Amazon, if I'm not mistaken, is also down 5.6%, making new lows. We're literally approaching 2020 levels and the beginning of 2020, right? Like after the pandemic hit, we're not that far from it. And that's the unfortunate part. It's crazy. But again, I know it's a difficult time. I know it's hard to see that light at the end of the tunnel. I hope that you guys know that if you ever have any questions, if you simply want to share your trade plan or your investing plan with me, you guys know where to message me. I have my free Discord chat. In this video, it's going to be the second link in the description down below. You can message me and ask me any question that you want. Just give me some time to respond. I'm trying to catch up on all my direct messages right now, and I always prioritize my Learn Plan Profit group first. So again, second link down below. Shoot me a message, or you can feel free to comment, and we can go from there. Also, I did get my Instagram back. They're already trying to hack me once again, and it looks like it's not just an issue for myself, but there's a bunch of other influencers that got hacked and banned as well. And it's all these fake accounts that are reporting or mass reporting are real accounts, and it's very unfortunate, but I need you guys to know that I have no crypto fund. I don't have any Forex fund. I never message you first. Please note that. And I have one Instagram account, and it's linked down below. So if you want to follow me and you want to message me, then it's linked down below. Other than that, every other Ricky account, I can promise you, is fake. That simple. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. I'd love for you guys to be able to get a taste of what it's like to watch one of our live trading sessions. And that's going to be that third link down below. So if you're ready to join our Learn Plan Profit group and work with me on a closer basis, then again, that is literally the only service I offer. That's all. And it's all inclusive. It's lifetime access, one-time payment, and it includes everything. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green app. Take it easy, team.